Yeah, I looked tired, I think, more than anything. I had quite big bags under my right eye, if I remember rightly, and in the morning I just looked at myself in the mirror and think I need to go back to bed for another 10 hours. And in the end I just decided to bite the bullet and book to have it resolved, which was the first step. And after that, it was quite a quick process to actually get here, start and ready for the surgery. Yeah, obviously I had a lot of kind of worries and concerns beforehand, which I discussed with the doctor, Dr. Amro, over the phone, and I'd listed out quite a few questions beforehand, which he answered everything. He had even over the phone, he had a great bedside manner. So that kind of put me at rest there. When I got to the clinic, I had a few more questions that I thought since of, and again, just put completely at ease by the doctor, which allowed me to be a lot calmer and not feel anxious really at all, which hopefully and I think kind of benefited the surgery and made it a lot easier for the surgery. So, yeah, just a great experience from start to finish of the actual day. The only pain that I got was the initial injection on either eye of the local anaesthetic, but as soon as that had gone in and taken effect, didn't feel a thing. You could feel when they were cauterising the ligament, you could feel the kind of the smoke getting into your eyeballs. But other than that, I was just shocked that there was such limited pain, and being awake and being able to kind of see things while the surgery went on was a unique experience that there was no real issues at all. So I got all my bits and pieces from the clinic, all the antibiotics, creams, and I had to get the codeine. Just followed that religiously. Managed to get the right sleep, so everything that I was given, everything that I was advised to do, I guess kind of helped for my healing. And it was followed up by a call with one of the Aftercare team a week after, just to see if there were any issues. And to be honest, there's never been an issue since. I've not really needed Aftercare, but I always knew that they were on hand either over the phone or if I'd sent an email asking any kind of questions, it was answered promptly and fully. Oh yeah, absolutely. From start to finish, kind of doing my research and approaching the clinic all the way through to having the surgery, the aftercare, and just the team, the doctors, his support team and the aftercare team have all just really made the whole process as enjoyable as it can be, having your face cut and put back together, I guess.